G'day humanoid life forms, it's Chewie here, and today I'm going to do a kick drum shootout between the Sennheiser e602 MKII and the Shure Beta 52. For all of these examples, make sure you're listening through good quality speakers or headphones so you can actually hear the difference between these microphones. I recently just purchased the Beta 52. I was hoping for a lot more than what I got, to be honest. I've had the Sennheiser for a few years, and I have to say, after testing these two microphones out, this is my mic of choice for the kick drum out of the mics that I have available to me. The Sennheiser e602 MKII is a fantastic microphone compared to the Beta 52. Let's have a quick look inside at the capsule. And there's one thing I can see that is a really big difference inside these microphones. And I think it really, I don't know, I'm guessing it's got something to do with the sound. Now, inside here, I know this is the capsule that picks up the sound. Oh, by the way, the Beta 52 is a metal construction, and the Shure is a much lighter metal, a much lighter microphone, but it's got some soft padding here. Now, I'm sure that's for a reason. And the Beta 52 is all hard plastic. So, I really think that's got something to do with the sound. You'll hear the difference coming up very shortly. Just to let you know what else I've got on the kit. I've got an SM57 on the snare, and I've got some Rode, don't know what they are, I'll let you know in a second. I've got some Rode overhead matched pair of pencil condensers up top. It's Future Chewie here. Just wanted to let you know, make sure you watch to the end where I put some very close side-by-side comparisons of all of the sounds that I've recorded. And also, every time I refer to the Shure Beta 52, I mean the Shure Beta 52A. The other thing I'd like to let you know is that all of the sounds recorded were straight into Logic with no processing, no EQ, no compression, nothing at all. Just the direct dry signal. The first setup we're going to try is the Sennheiser dead center facing the Beta, just inside the drum. Okay, now we've got the Shure Beta 52A on the kick. Here is the Sennheiser with a beat. Terrible drumming. Here's the Sennheiser positioned to the edge of the kick drum, but still pretty far towards the outside of the drum, inside the rim by about 6 inches. And now we've got the Shure Beta 52A towards the edge of the drum. Please remember, I'm not a drummer, I'm a guitar player. Here's a beat with the Sennheiser towards the edge. Now we've got the Sennheiser about halfway in the bass drum towards the edge, facing the beater. Now we've got the Shure Beta 52A. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got something out of that. Which mic did you like? The Sennheiser or the Shure Beta 52? I know where my preferences lie with sound, and very easy to mix with very little EQ. You can make this sound very similar to this with a bit of a boost in the bottom end, a little bit of a mid cut and another boost at about 5k, around about between 3 and 5k. This already seems to have that EQ curve in it in the Sennheiser. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which microphone you preferred the sound of, at least with this Dixon drum kit. And what are your experiences with these two microphones? Which one would you recommend in which situations? Is this better live? Haven't tried it live yet. Be good to try. Alright. See ya. Thanks.